Some simple problems are there. We need to rationalize their denominators. Okay, how you can find the rationalizing the denominators? 1 by root 7, 2 by 3 into root 5, 5 by 4 into root 3. While you are finding the denominator rationalization, just concentrate on the denominator part. The least denominator, what we already discussed, no? The least rationalizing factor we need to multiply for the given question, and we will convert it as a rational number or irrational number. So we need to multiply the rationalizing factor of the denominator for both numerator and denominator. We are multiplying the denominator value for both numerator and denominator. Okay, root 7 into 1, root 7, root 7 into 7, 7. So this is the rationalized form of the first question. Second one, 2 by 3 into root 5. What we need to multiply here? Least rationalizing factor is root 5 divided by root 5. 2 into root 5, 2 root 5, root 5 into root 5, 5 into, write this 3 as it is, 2 root 5 divided by 3 5s are 15. Okay, next one, 5 divided by 4 root 3, write this 5 as it is, divided by 4 root 3. Now rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means we are multiplying the irrational number or at least required rationalizing factor for both numerator and denominator. So root 3 into root 3, 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3 remaining 4, 5 root 3, write as it is, 4 3s are 12. So these are the required rationalized form of the given questions. Okay, next one, see the next question. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing denominators. That first one, 1 by 3 minus root 2. Second one, 3 by root 5 plus root 2. Third one, root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Fourth one, 5 root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 5. So rationalize the denominator. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing denominators. Here 4 questions are there. We need to rationalize the denominators. Before solving these 4 questions, I will take one more example. 1 by root 5. How you are rationalizing here? You are multiplying the root 5 for the both numerator and denominator. Root 5 into root 5. 1 into root 5 is root 5 divided by root 5 into root 5 is 5. So this is the rationalized form of the 1 by root 5. Observe here, in the given question, only one radical, one third or one radical is there in the place of denominator. So we are simply multiplying for the both numerator and denominator, and we will simplify the question, we will get the answer. In case of 2 radicals or combination of the 2 numbers, how you can simplify? When we are going to be rationalize the denominator with 2 radicals, either it is a combination of rational number and irrational number or irrational number and irrational number, we need to convert their signs. If it is in the positive term, we are converting it as a negative. We are taking the opposite signs between the 2 radicals or between the 2 factors. Okay, see the first one, we will get some ideas by rationalizing these questions. First one, 1 by 3 minus root 2. So this is the given question. You need to rationalize the denominator. Write the question once again, 1 by 3 minus root 2. What we have in the place of denominator? 3 minus root 2. So multiply. We need to multiply here the least rationalizing factor. So least rationalizing factor is 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 plus root 2. If we are having 2 rationalizing factors, then we need to take the opposite signs. If we have positive means we need to take it as a negative. If we are having negative sign means then we will take it as a positive. Here 3 minus root 2 becomes 3 plus root 2. No, multiply both numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus root 2 as it is. 3 into 1 is 3, root 2 into 1 is root 2. And one more important is when you are rationalizing the denominator with two radicals or with two rationalizing factors, the denominator is always in the form of a square minus b square, or it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Just check the given example here, a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. So how you can write the a plus b into a minus b? It can be written as a square minus b square. So 3 square minus root 2 whole square. Here 3 plus root 2, we cannot add these two, so write as it is. 3 square is 9, square and root get cancelled, remaining 2. So 3 plus root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, so this is the rationalized answer of the first question. Okay, see the next one. Second question, 3 by root 5 plus root 2. Directly rationalize the denominator. Root 5 plus root 2. What is the least rationalized factor here? Root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. No, 3 into root 5. Or you can simply write it as 3 into root 5 minus root 2. Or you can multiply individual terms. 3 into root 5, 3 root 5 minus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2. Okay. Again, now the denominators are in the form of a square minus b square. So root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancelled. The numerator is again 3 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by square and root get cancelled means remaining 5. Square and root get cancelled, remaining 2. So 3 square root of 5 minus square root of 2 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled, remaining the final answer is root 5 minus root 2. This is the required result by rationalizing the second question. We are getting the result by rationalizing the given second question. Next one, see the third question. Third one is root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, rationalize the denominator. What we need to multiply? The least rationalizing factor, root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Now observe the numerator part, a minus b into a minus b. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So root 3 minus root 2 whole square divided by, denominators are in the form of root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2, a plus b into a minus b. So root of 3 whole square minus root of 2 whole square. Simplify the numerator with the help of a minus b whole square formula. Root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square divided by square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancelled, 3 minus 2. Square and root get cancelled, remaining 3 minus 2 into root 3 into root 2, root 6 plus square and root get cancelled, remaining 2 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by 1. So this is the required result of the rationalized form. Next, see the next question, fourth one. 5 root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 5. Multiply or rationalize the denominator. Root 3 minus root 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Multiply the numerators first. Root 5 into root 2 into root 3. 5 into root 2 into root 3 is root 6 minus 5 into root 2 into root 5, root 10 divided by, and the denominators are in the form of a square minus b square. How you can write this one? A plus b into a minus b. So square root of 3 whole square minus square root of 5 whole square. No, we cannot add because we are having here two different rational numbers inside the radicals. So write the numerator as it is, root 5 root 6 minus 5 root 10. Square and root get cancelled, remaining 3 minus square and root get cancelled, remaining 5. Therefore the final answer is, here we will take 5 as a common. Once we take the 5 as a common, 5 into root 6 minus root 10 divided by 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So These are the some examples related to the rationalizing the denominators. Just practice these type questions, you will get some more ideas. Okay, in the next class we will discuss one new chapter. Until then, be happy, have a nice day, and thank you for watching.